Welcome to the channel. Today we are talking about prime and composite numbers. Let's break them down. So basically, we know natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So we divide natural numbers into two parts, prime number and composite numbers. So what are prime numbers? So basically, a prime number is a number that has only two factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2. So it has only two factors, 1 and 2. 5. It has only two factors, 1 and 5. 17. 1 and 17. But if a number has more than two factors, it's not prime. So what is it? It is composite numbers. Now, composite numbers are numbers with more than two factors. For example, 6. It has more than two factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So it is composite numbers. But what about 1? So 1 is neither prime nor composite because 1 has only one factor. Okay, so we can identify which is prime or which is composite, like 2 is prime, 3 is prime, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 or 19, 23. All these numbers are prime, and other than that are composite numbers because other numbers has more than two factors. Okay, so remember, natural numbers can be divided into prime, composite and special type. So we have already understood about it. Now this is the definition. Prime number are positive integers greater than 1 with exactly two factors. And it is more important point. 2 is the only number which is even prime. Other numbers are odd prime. Okay, so 2 is the only number which is even prime. Okay, composite number has more than two factors, which means apart from getting divided by 1 and the number itself, it can also be divided by at least one positive integer. Okay, now we talk about properties of prime numbers. So prime number has exactly two factors only. Okay, there is one and only one even prime number, that is 2. Now what's next? Every even integer bigger than 2 can be split into two prime numbers. How? Suppose I have taken an example 4. So it is even integer, and so we can split into 2 plus 2. So both are prime numbers. So we are saying every even integer bigger than 2 can be split into two prime numbers. Let us take another example like 20. So we can split it into 3 plus 17. There is another way too, but I am saying can be split into two primes. Okay. Now what's next property? It is really important property, and sometimes people get confused. Okay, every positive integers greater than 1. I am saying every positive integers greater than 1 can be written as a product of prime numbers in a unique way. So let me take a positive integer like 11. So we can be written as a product of prime numbers in a unique way. How? So we can multiply it 1 into 1, 11. Let me take another example. If I write 16, so we can be written it as a product of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So all are prime numbers. Okay, so we can write every positive integer greater than 1 can be written as a product of prime numbers. Okay, and this property we known as fundamental theorem of arithmetic. You can see on next page. Properties of prime numbers. Okay, so prime number has exactly two factors only. One and only even prime number is 2, and it is for additional and it is for product property. Okay, so now you have to answer this question in a comment section. Is 39 a prime or composite number? That's it for today. Okay, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy math tips. See you next time.